Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to change your profile picture. The first step is to go to the settings. Either you go from this menu from here and click settings, or you can just click on your character and just click settings. After you do so, you will find here some settings here. We want the account settings. You will find in my profile, you go to manage. It will transfer you to the settings panel in the website. About me, you will find here the basic information. As you can see, we want to edit the profile picture from here, and you click edit. You just upload any image that you have. For example, this one. uh, we will just choose this image, or you can find the origin avatar gallery. uh, then you just have to click save. As you can see, the avatar has been changed. And there is also another simple way to do the same operation. So if you go to uh, your EA app, you click on the username or the profile picture, you will find here something called My Profile. After you click, you will find here a tab, and there is a button that says Edit Profile. You just click on the Edit, and as you can see, it will takes you directly to the panel to change your profile. And after that, obviously, as the previous one, you will just have to choose either from the avatar gallery or upload your own image. Uh, as you can see, we are going to upload our image, and I will just choose this section and click on save. And as you can see, my avatar or picture has been updated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.